Welcome everyone, and this week we're going to do some share and reviews. So I will share my screen. Okay, so on Tuesday I spoke about the New Zealand NZSX 50, like I always do, but I also spoke about Smartshares, which is a company that you can actually invest into New Zealand, basically the ETF is what I'm trying to say. So there were actually two. So I put up on Tuesday the NZG ticker code, which is the main board, and it follows exactly what the top 50 companies are investing in on our stock exchange, but it's also weighted. So you've got more weighting to the higher valued companies on our stock exchange. What I've pulled up today is another top 50 companies offered by Smartshares, and this ticker code is FNZ. So how this one differs to the one that I spoke about on Tuesday is that this was an equal weight. So it basically only has 5% invested into each of or maximum 5% invested into each of those top 50 companies on our stock exchange. So again, like the NZSX 50, we've had 2 positive weeks in a row, which is a really, really good sign. We'll just put on our moving averages, and there'll be no surprises here that they'll both be trading underneath, but we'll just put them on anyway. So like the NZSX 50, it is obviously trading below. Okay, like I just said, couple of positive weeks, which is very, very encouraging. We'll just take this over a 5-year period and see what we can see. So really similar to what I showed on Tuesday regarding the NZSX 50. You've had this big COVID drop down here and an exceptional recovery. Okay, let's take it out further. And as you can see back here, this is around the GFC, okay? And so again, we're still trading well above where we were back in the GFC periods, okay? I'll pop on just to give you an idea, the NZSX 50, how that is in comparison. And while I'm doing that, just bear in mind that this is education only. It is not personalised advice. It's just giving you an idea of the share market and bits and pieces. So here we have in the blue line the NZSX 50, and obviously, hey, we were basically the Smartshares fund was basically tracking it, but then we started getting a divergence. Probably around November last year we started getting a bit of a divergence, and the reason for that is because this is an equal weighted fund, so it has 5% exposed into each of the companies, whereas if you were to go through and look for each individual share and look up a chart on it, you'll find that there are the odd one out there that has been performing very, very well, and that's why you actually get a bit of a divergence happening as well. Again, it is paying a regular dividend. So for those people that are looking for dividends, this could be another alternative. But it really depends on your investment style, what it is you're wanting to achieve. So like I say, I'm not giving you advice. This is just giving you ideas for exposure. If you're wanting to invest into the New Zealand Stock Exchange, but you don't want to do your own research and go company specific, these are other alternatives in which to do that. Now, I'm also going to pull up, because we've got available, so that was, oh, whoopsie. So they've got a few shares available for New Zealand. So we'll just go into the top 10, and that ticker code is TNZ. Okay, so pretty much like what we're seeing with all of our indices, but this company, this fund here, this ETF here, is actually investing in the top 10 companies on the New Zealand Stock Exchange. So again, we'll pop our indicators on and we'll just see how this one's going. So definitely trading below that, as most things are at the moment. But it's just a matter of just waiting it patiently, because things will change and there will be opportunities out there. So if you look at this one, it is certainly over the last 2 weeks, we've actually hit the faster moving day average, which is the 15. And so we are trading at that level. But like anything, I'd want us to actually get above that before I would look for any potential buying opportunities or anything like that. We don't have much volume either, as you can see down here, down this bottom part of the chart. We don't have very much volume at all, and volume can be an indicator, especially if it's green candles, that there are a lot more buyers in the market. So of course that pushes the price up. So that's certainly something that I would be be looking at. So we'll just stop sharing. So I hope that's helpful for this week. I might next week look and do maybe another couple of Smartshares investments that you can do on the New Zealand Stock Exchange, because we do have, you can invest into the top 10 companies, as I just said there. You can invest into the top 20, 50, and also there's a dividend yield fund that you can invest in as well if you're looking for perhaps good dividends. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll come back next week. See ya.